Alright guys, we have to survive 24 hours and I can't get down because I'm scared of heights. Oh yeah, we already did put... What the we did put this last time. Oh yeah, I'm also Elmo now, but you guys can't see that, and if you do, you're gonna be horrified. So, if you watch Matthew, it looks fine. If you watch his screen, if you watch mine, I just look hideous.
Shit, I didn't use the radiation.
Can you stop setting off? Okay. Yeah, that's how Elmo looks for me. Doesn't look too hot. Oh, so you just go black when you die to a nuke. Why are we in Ikea? Why are we in an Ikea again? Ah, my bad. So what, the goal of today is to be funny in Ikea?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not funny usually, so what the fuck am I meant to do? I destroyed a bunch of tables and chairs. Let's go. What the?
Ow!
What'd you do with Kermit?
I ate his ass.
I know why I'm shooting with a shotgun from this far away. What'd you do with Kermit? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Come here. I feel like you do prop hunting here extremely well.
Oh no, because in this map is actually auto-generated. If you go into one room, you just come out another that you've already been in.
Yeah, it seems that way.
Not creator said that shit.
Eat shit. You know what?
I kid you not, I just heard the widest started, and then suddenly I just see kick tiger, kill the pigeon.
Well, I didn't mean to.
That's not how I died.
How'd you die?
I'm not gonna tell you. Hello?
Hi. Oh my god, my hostile ammo looks scuffed.
Killed my friend.
He looks so bad. Oh, I stole shotgun ammo. Oh, hey. Okay.
So you get killed. He looks so scared.
Hey,
Where is
hey.
he?
Hey
Where
now.
are you?
Hey now. Calm down.
We need to stay together.
Why? Like, you and I are through thick and thin, okay?
We have a problem on our hands.
What the fuck is he doing? He started taking selfies with a phone without one. What the fuck? I think I need to put him out of his misery. I was about to say he's invincible.
Was he just nay-naying every single time you shot him?
Perhaps. Well, oh wait, my face is normal, but it just has a never Elmo, like, waving his hand.
Like, what?
That's because you probably added on a mod that did that.
No.
Well,
Me.
I can't summon Scout, so.
Messing with me, brother.
Oh, hey. Oh, my bad. Wrong weapon. I'm pretty.
What the fuck? I just need to spread the word and the fish just turns the corner.
Take this med kit.
What the hell? I hear that. Stop doing whatever you're doing and make noise. Oh. Fried rice, man. Oh, you dumbass! Do you know what you've done? I know the fuck you are! I'm guessing you were near me, so that's where. Run, run, where'd it go, where'd it go? Okay!
I'm right behind you!
Here's good! No, it wasn't! What the fuck did you do? What the fuck did you do?
See this gun that I'm holding?
Yeah, I have it too.
It does nothing.
Oh, sweet. This is practically a BB gun, watch. Oh no. Fucking god! Where is it? Where is it? I know my safe place is, it's in here, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure it's in here. This isn't my safe place. This is my safe place! Where do I go? Ah, push up! Help me! You wanna know something? Hey, what the fuck was that about? Here's my happy place. Oh, apparently I can't do that. Oh yeah, anytime I do a Spider-Man jump out of this biatch.
Oh, don't.
I'm not planning on it. Alright.
Hold on. I gotta get something.
I have to get something too.
It takes you to Denny's.
If you just let it close it, then ignite the bomb, man. You mother.
Chicken strip.
I want to back to my happy place. I need to get back to my happy place. Here. Hey! I want a happy place!
I'm sorry.
I'm stuck in the bathtub.
Hey.
Are you above me? Oh, hey. What?
Hi.
Oh, what?
Hi.
Oh, you put a portal in the bath.
Did I say just get jump?
Just get jump. Just get jump. Jump. Just get jumped by a bunch of thugs. I don't know. Oh, hey, Matthew. Why are you just not walk normally, my guy? Hey there. Get in. Get in the freaking portal. They're not. Benny's isn't here anymore.
Ow!
Oh my word. Yep. Is this just blood in the roof now? Oh shit! Hey! Hey, wait, before you shoot me! Before you shoot me! Wait! Oh, this is Denny's over here. In the wall? Oh, what the f...
What?
Where's this?
Damn. Okay.
Oh, it's this place. Wait, is this the exit?
How rude.
No, it's not. Where am I?
Oh, it's behind this bookshelf. Oh. Oh, well, this is a mistake.
I can
can't see anything.
I can free. Just walk. Okay. Cry.
This is where I go to obtain my belongings. You.
Look! It has windows that look into the hallways. They've been spying on us this whole time. We didn't even know. No!
There you go, Lee.
That's just a hole in the wall now. Something more than a hole.
Window.
Well, that's an entire one-way window.
Oh, my God. Thank you.
Ain't there?
In there, like, what the fuck? Bathtub broken. Oh, hello, just sit down there.
Oh. Shit. I know you need. No.
Yeah.
Come here. Take off your hat.
Oh,
No, you need to.
take off your skin.
I love you. Is that good? No. You need to take off.
Voice, so,
You need to take off your hat. No, you need to take off your hat.
now
And
I
then
will not take off
yeah,
my hat.
no, you need to take off your hat and then pull your head back. Show us how big your forehead is. I know you're very insecure. Show it. Come on, no balls.
Oh,
I gave you a bath bomb. Hey.
Yeah.
That looked like you just do a 180. It looked like you just go. Ah, yeah.
You do it. Do it again. Do it again. I wasn't looking. You just turn around.
Cannot confirm that.
Whoa.
Wait, what the? Oh, I thought you couldn't take damage. Sorry, no, you Oh shit! Hey, hey, look down.
Why do we have to do
don't think I'm allowed to say that on here. Okay, wait, shush. Shush, shush. Here. Eyes closed.
Like the Atlantic.
I need to make you find your greatest fear. You're scared of me, aren't you? Well, I don't want to hurt you, so here's my brother. Makes you fear.
Sorry. What?
I'm kidding. Oh. You're the biggest dumbass. I know where to go though. I know where the bombs won't hurt us. Shit.
What?
I went the wrong way. It's here! It's here!
Spider-Man!
I found it! No! Ah.
Sad to see you go.
I saw something. Nah, not enough. I wasn't gonna kill you. Calm down. Oh, is random bullets spread in this game too?
Well, you have 2 fanatic. That's all.
Yes. Where the fuck did that? Oh, hey. Hey, how are you?
What the door's open like that? You stop being so fucked up.
Oh, hey. I said no V clipping, by the way.
But yeah, well, if you want to get to you actually be fucking famous.
Why we?
Go!
Sure. Oh, hey. What the fuck? What kind of serial killer shit is this?
It's a lot worse than that.
It is. Oh. Oh fuck. Well, you know. Oh yeah, don't go in the storage room. Are you gonna shoot at me or what? Alright, well if you want to, that looks not right. If you, okay. Why the f-
No, if you get close enough to it.
What? Why? Why does it gotta do us like this? Alright, that's better.
Hey guys.
Okay, wait, hold on, can I just infinitely... Yeah. Yeah, we were...
I'm gonna catch you all later.
Like and subscribe, it's free! Yeah.